Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. If you love patchwork, you love piecing, and you love quilts that have homes on them, then Maison de Patchwork is the perfect quilt for you. This amazing pattern by Wendy Sheppard, coupled with Sunday Brunch, this is a basic gray collection they designed for Moda, was the perfect combination. You can see this amazing synergy of all of the fabrics. I love how many of the fabrics we get to see from the Sunday Brunch collection. It's so pleasing with the beautiful cottages and the different roofs and the different stars and the patchwork and everything in between. This is just a beautiful quilt to display in your home or maybe give as an incredible gift. We are still receiving our fabric. We received just enough to be able to make the sample quilt so you could see just how beautiful this is. So in the meantime, while we're waiting to receive our fabric, carefully cut, fold, and package this, you have the chance to reserve your kit. And of course, a quilt of this caliber has to have the perfect backing, and that's right here. Also, of course, from Sunday Brunch by Moda by BasicGrey. So how does a reserve work? It's the coolest thing. You get to make a small $10 deposit toward the cost of your kit and a $5 deposit toward the cost of your backing. And know, without having to worry about this again, that once those are ready, they're again carefully cut, folded, and packaged. We'll bill you for the difference and head those your way. I know what that's like to wait for something much anticipated and I can't reserve it ahead of time, and I wait and I set my reminders and I still miss it because maybe I forgot. You don't have to do that. With reserves, you get to make those deposits and know with assurance you're going to be getting these amazing quilt kit as well as the backing. These are the notions that we use to put together our sample quilts. Of course, creative grid rulers are rulers of choice. And then things that you would expect for patchwork, of course. The new blade and the rotary cutter, the needles, the patchwork pins, good thread, all of those things for me. The seam guide, of course, to help me really dial in the quarter-inch seam allowance. But like we say each and every time a reserve comes around, make sure if this quilt is just like, oh, this is what I've been waiting to see, Jen, then head to the website without delay, make that $10 deposit. Be sure to pick up that backing with a $5 deposit, and of course, pick up any notions you might need. And something else I want you to do, let a friend know as well. We hear this over and over again. We are so many people the world around their go-to place for exclusive kits with spectacular designs and fabric combinations. So again, head to the website now to reserve your kit, your backing, and any notions you might need.